Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by combining the essentials: 1 cup milk and 2 tablespoons cocoa or your packet. Heat on medium-low so the milk warms evenly. This prevents scorching and preserves creaminess. Once the milk is steaming, whisk in cocoa or mix powder slowly so lumps don't form, and taste for sweetness. Add sugar incrementally. Make sure to keep the heat steady. Too hot and you'll break the milk proteins. Too cool and the powder won't dissolve properly. Once your cocoa is dissolved, focus on texture and flavor. You should whisk vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds to emulsify fats and create silky microfoam. This changes mouthfeel dramatically. Then, add a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla to round bitterness, or 1-2 tablespoons of cream for extra body. If lumps persist, or you want cafe-style froth, use an immersion blender or handheld frother briefly. This also aerates the drink and integrates any undissolved cocoa. You're at the finish. Pour into a warmed mug and add toppings like foam, marshmallows, or a dusting of cinnamon for aroma. Taste once more. If it's bitter, stir in 1-2 teaspoons sugar or honey. If the drink feels thin, whisk in 1 tablespoon more cocoa or reduce milk next time. If you detect a burnt flavor, discard. A slight rescue is possible by adding heavy cream and more sweetener, but prevention through gentle heat is the best fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.